Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to be doing a quick review of the Brous Reloader. This is the import version. We'll open her up. Get a nice little Brous sticker in there. Alright, we'll show it to you there. And we'll go over specs. This is a little bit larger knife. It is 8.25 inches from tip to hilt. 4.75 inches close, so almost 5. 3.5 inch D2 tool steel Tonto blade. Has a black contoured polymer handle, which we all know means plastic. Extended tang. Has a pocket clip, which is deep carry, about as deep as you can get there since we're off on the end. It is reversible. You just pull out this thumb pull here and switch them using the 2 screws. It is a collaborative design between Jason Brous and Mikael Williamson. It has a stonewash finish, so this is a user. It should disguise any damage or wear that you put onto it pretty easily. Has a back spacer. It is a flipper, and it has the Brous logo on the pocket clip, and it's also a liner lock. We'll show you the deployment. This is a pretty easy to use one-hand knife. Closes and opens very smoothly. And we'll show you how it cuts. We'll start off with some paracord here. Goes through that pretty easily with forward or a reverse cut. We'll grab some corded jute here. It's a little corded rope that we have. So it cuts up on the Tonto portion also in a pushing motion, like that. Didn't want to nick that board, but I did. Not bad there. We'll bring over some cardboard, and we'll show you how it cuts there. So it cuts very smoothly. So once again, this was the Brous Reloader. It's the import version, so it's made in China instead of made in USA like other Brous blades. It retails at about, I think it's about $60. But this one is, I think it's $49 on AtlanticKnife.com. For those of you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and hit that button and like this post. And follow at Atlantic Knife, where we do these reviews daily. We do polls and giveaways. Everybody likes free knives. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thousands of videos. We do everything from 1-minute to 5-minute reviews. And we do a weekly show that is not only informative, but it's humorous. Once again, the Brous Reloader. I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.